In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no connection in MetaTrader 5. If you've ever opened MT5, ready to trade, and then seen that frustrating no connection message at the bottom, stay with me. We're going to walk through a simple logical sequence to get you back online as quickly as possible. First, always start with the basics. Check your internet connection. It might sound obvious, but it's the most common cause. Make sure your device is actually connected to Wi-Fi or your wired network, and try opening a regular website or streaming a short video. If those don't load, the problem isn't MetaTrader 5, it's your internet. In that case, you may need to reset your router, switch networks, or contact your provider before doing anything inside MT5. Once you're sure your internet is working, look at the bottom right corner of MetaTrader 5. This is where the platform shows your connection status. You'll see either no connection, invalid account, or some numbers showing data being sent and received. If it says no connection or shows a red icon, MT5 is not connected to the broker's server. If you see numbers changing and no error, then the platform is already connected and you might be dealing with a different issue. If the status still shows no connection, the next step is to re-log into your trading account. Go to the login option within MetaTrader 5 and carefully enter your account number and password again. Make sure you select the correct account type, such as demo or real, and double check for typing mistakes in your password. Logging out and then logging back in forces MT5 to re-establish a fresh connection with the server, which often clears temporary glitches. If re-logging doesn't solve it, you'll want to manually select the correct server. When you log in, there's a field where you choose the broker's server from a list. Pick the exact server name provided by your broker, not just something that looks similar. A wrong server will always result in no connection, even if your internet is perfect and your password is correct. If you don't see the right server, use the option to add or scan for new servers, or check your broker's website for the correct details. Finally, if none of that works, restart MetaTrader 5 completely. Close the platform, make sure it's not still running in the background,